Plenty of voters are unhappy with Joe Biden and Donald Trump, but they feel pressure to vote for the lesser of two evils. And they're not wrong. In most states, a vote for a third party or an independent candidate can actually help the side that you like least. Let's take a look at how that works. Here's an example with just two candidates. The Democrat is ahead by a little bit, so the Democrat wins. Easy. But what happens when a Green Party candidate enters the race? If that Green Party candidate earns 3%, those are votes that otherwise might have counted for the Democrat. Now the Republican wins, even though a majority of voters wanted one of those candidates on the left. But it's not just a Democrat problem. Here's an example where a Republican is harmed by the same issue. When the Republican is leading, but a Libertarian enters the race, now the Democrat wins, even though a majority of voters supported one of the two candidates on the right. Ranked choice voting solves this problem. With ranked choice voting, candidates can't win just because of how their opponents split up the vote. A candidate needs more than 50%, that is more than half of voters, in order to win an election. Here's how that works. First, you count up just everyone's first choices. If nobody is over the 50% threshold, then we don't have a winner yet. We eliminate the last place candidate, that's the Green Party candidate. The Green Party voters ranked the Democrat as their second choice, so their ballots transfer to their second choice, the Democrat. Now, we still don't have anyone over 50%, so we eliminate the last place candidate again. This is the Libertarian candidate. Those voters ranked the Republican second, so when the Libertarian is eliminated, their ballots go count for the Republican. Now we have someone over that 50% threshold, and now we have a winner. With ranked choice voting, there's no vote splitting, there's no spoilers, and every voter is free to vote for their honest first choice and rank a backup too. There's good news. Maine and Alaska already use ranked choice voting for president and for other elections. Here's what Maine's ballot looked like in 2020. Voters in the other 48 states will be doing the math, playing strategic voting, having to be a tactician to make sure we don't waste our votes. Voters in Maine and Alaska have it easy. They just rank their candidates in order of preference. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It's time for other states to follow suit and adopt ranked choice voting.